You want smart campaign ideas tailored to your audience? Let's set up the Campaign Suggestions agent. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Agents, then the dashboard. Go to Agents and select Campaign Suggestions agent. Click Activate Agent, then confirm to enable it. Choose Create New Profile. Enter a profile name. Next, click Select Contacts, then Add Contact. Enter the first name, last name, and contact number. And click Add Contact to save. Select the contact using the checkbox, then click Save to attach the audience to the profile. Click Save again to finish setup. Your Campaign Suggestions agent is now ready. It will analyze your selected audience and suggest campaigns you can review and send. That's it. Use audience-based suggestions to move faster from idea to launch, right inside Quick Agents.